Hi everyone, this is Laura Campen and I'll be doing my introduction presentation today. So I just completed my third year of teaching in second grade at Milton, Georgia, and I work in Fulton County at Crabapple Crossing Elementary School. I'm staying at the same school, but I am excited because I'm going to be moving to fourth grade next year, and I'm going to be teaching just ELA. So today I'm going to be talking to you about my personal and professional insights, a memorable diversity/equity issue, my most favorite and least favorite aspect of engaging with diversity and equity issues. So my personal and professional insights: in 2016, I graduated in early childhood from Georgia College and State University. And personally, I have found that a lot of people are really uncomfortable with talking about diversity and equity issues, and often just kind of want to put it off to the side or not address the issue. And so I know that after taking our course with Dr. Grantham, 8300 this spring, that I learned more about the importance of really helping to support those diverse students, and also helping to bring the creativity and their giftedness into their learning. And so there is many strategies like the Torrance Creative Positives that help me to be able to recognize the characteristics of students that are underrepresented and can show their creativity or their giftedness in different ways. So I feel like I've really become more conscious of the opportunities that I can be providing for those students to help support their giftedness and creativity in their learning experiences. So a memorable issue that I have with diversity and equity is that, like I said, I feel like a lot of educators are kind of hesitant to talk about it or address the issue, but also they have misconceptions about equity. And as I continue to get into the gifted community more and more and learn more about it, that I can share my knowledge about diversity with my coworkers, just kind of to educate them more about the topic. So my most favorite aspect is that I can help support others in diversity in the gifted programs, and to show them that it's important to be able to recognize these students and their gifted abilities, and that it might look different from another child, but that they are still gifted in their own way. And my least favorite aspect of engaging with diversity and equity issues is that it is difficult to learn that students are being represented and are misrepresented in their gifted programs, and that many teachers are biased on what they think about the characteristics of giftedness. And I think it's hard for me to start that conversation, to think what can we be doing or changing in order to help our students that are underrepresented. So I look forward to working with everyone this summer, and I can't wait.